To transfer money to Ghana, start by opening the TapTap app and logging into your account. Once logged in, your dashboard will be displayed. From here, click on the country name at the top, which will trigger a drop-down menu. Select Ghana from the options, and the country will be updated in the app. You can also click on the Add Promo Code button to receive a $5 bonus on your transfer. Enter the promo code in the provided box and click the Enter button to receive the bonus. After completing this step, you will be prompted to choose a recipient. Click on the Add New Recipient option and enter the recipient's details. You can choose from various methods, such as bank account, mobile money, or other options. Select the preferred method and enter the required information, such as full name, bank name, and bank account number. Once all the details are filled in, click the Next button to initiate the transfer.